Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Asphalt Repair, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Asphalt Repair, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best asphalt repair from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Permanent Asphalt Repair for Potholes, Driveways, and Roads. Aquafelt is the ultimate solution for permanent asphalt repair, perfect for potholes, driveways, and roads. This water-activated, eco-friendly patch material is designed to last, with no harmful chemicals or VOCs, making it safe for both people and pets. What makes Aquafelt unique is its ability to be installed in any weather, including freezing temperatures or intense heat, and can be opened to traffic immediately, no waiting required. Simply pour the material into the damaged area, add water, and tamp it down. Within 24 hours, Aquafelt will fully cure, but you can drive on it right away. It's incredibly easy to use and is backed by a minimum 3-year warranty. Whether it's a small pothole or larger road damage, Aquafelt's consistency and durability ensure that your repair will stand the test of time. Say goodbye to temporary fixes and hello to a long-lasting solution with Aquafelt. Number 2. AMES Research Laboratories MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating. AMES Research Laboratories MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating is the ultimate solution for sealing and maintaining low-slope roofs. This white, elastomeric, rubberized roof coating offers an incredible 650% elongation, ensuring that it resists cracking, peeling, and flaking, even under harsh conditions. With 88% light reflectivity, it helps reduce surface temperatures, ultimately lowering cooling costs. Perfect for metal tar and rolled roofs, this eco-friendly sealant is non-toxic and low in VOCs, making it safe for the environment and your home. Whether you're using it for RV roofs, waterproofing, or general roof maintenance, AMES Maximum Stretch is easy to apply with a brush, roller, or spray. Each 1-gallon pail is designed to provide long-lasting protection, offering durability and peace of mind. Made in the USA, this high-performance roof coating will keep your roof in top condition for years to come. Keep your roof sealed and energy efficient with AMES Maximum Stretch. Number 3. Flex Seal Liquid Rubber Coating Sealant Waterproof UV-Resistant Campers. Flex Seal Liquid is a versatile liquid rubber coating sealant that offers waterproof, UV-resistant, and flexible protection for a variety of surfaces. Ideal for campers, RVs, roofs, gutters, and more, this liquid rubber creates a watertight seal that keeps out water, air, and moisture. Whether you choose to brush, roll, dip, or pour, Flex Seal Liquid applies smoothly and covers quickly, providing a durable and long-lasting barrier against rust, corrosion, and harsh chemicals. Its UV-resistant properties ensure that it maintains its effectiveness even in direct sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor use. The 128-ounce can is compact, yet provides plenty of coverage for your sealing needs. Protect your belongings with ease and ensure a reliable, flexible coat that stands the test of time. With Flex Seal Liquid, keep your surfaces safe and dry while preventing damage from the elements. Number 4. Liquid Rubber Driveway Restore Highly Flexible Asphalt Coating. Liquid Rubber Driveway Restore is a highly flexible, waterproof asphalt coating designed to revitalize and protect aging driveways. This durable sealant restores weathered asphalt surfaces, giving them a refreshed, new look while enhancing the longevity of your driveway. The easy-to-apply formula can be painted on using a brush, roller, or foam squeegee, with heavy coats building up a protective waterproof membrane. Ideal for asphalt surfaces, it offers coverage of 1 gallon per 50 square feet with 2 to 3 coats required for optimal protection. Not only does it provide excellent weather resistance, but it is also environmentally friendly, containing no solvents, low VOCs, and being non-toxic. Whether you're dealing with cracks, fading, or general wear and tear, Liquid Rubber Driveway Restore is your go-to solution for a durable and long-lasting finish that resists deterioration and weathering, all while being safe for both you and the environment. Number 5. Countryman Coatings 100% Silicone Roof Coating Seal Leaks Cracks. Countryman Coating's 100% silicone roof coating is the ultimate solution for restoring, protecting, and extending the life of your roof. This high-quality silicone roof coating can be easily applied via roller, brush, or spray equipment, and it adheres to a variety of roofing materials, including metal, EPDM, PVC, TPO, and more, without requiring a primer in most cases. With its superior adhesion and durability, it's an excellent choice for aging or failing roofs in good structural condition. Not only does it offer exceptional protection, but its industry-leading reflectivity reduces energy consumption by reflecting nearly 90% of UV rays, keeping your building cool and cutting energy costs by up to 20%. Easy to apply with just one thick coat for most surfaces, Countryman Coating's silicone roof coating is an eco-friendly, cost-effective solution for preserving your roof while reducing your building's environmental impact. Made in the USA for reliable performance. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.